Hello friends. So friends, in our today's video, we are going to cover amazing function of Excel, and this function is available in each and every version of Excel. If you see that I have already written down few values over here. For example, we have list A and we have list B. And now here in this example, what we want to highlight the values which are not matching with each other. For example, if you see the first row is matching, the second row is matching, but the third row it is not matching. Now what we can do, we have to select the entire data like this. Once we select the entire data, just press Ctrl G. The moment you will press Ctrl G, what it would do, it would open this window like this. Now here it is saying enter the reference number. So enter the reference number means we can enter the cell address. For example, if I write F5 and click on OK, what it will do, it will go to the F5 cell. So in this way we can go to the cells mentioned in the reference area. But here what we want to do, let's select it once again, Ctrl G, and instead of writing here like this, what we will do, we will click on special. The moment we click on special, we have this multiple options over here. Let's suppose if we select this comment section and click OK, what it will do, it will select every cell having comments. If I select formulas, it will select each and every cell having formulas. Similarly, we have blank option, we have current array object, but here we are talking about the row differences. The moment I would click on row differences and click on OK, what it will do, it has already selected the values which are not matching with the list A. Now instead of clicking anywhere, just straight away go to this fill option and click this color over here. What it will do, it will highlighting the selected part which we have already selected. It has highlighted those parts, so you can go ahead and highlight the missing rows or the values which are not matching with each other. Similarly, in the second data, again we have list A and list B, but here what we want to highlight the list A instead of highlighting the list B. The thing that we already did in the first example, instead of highlighting the list B, we are going to highlight list A. So for this, what we have to do, instead of selecting like this, we have to start selecting from this list B like this. So I will select like this. Again the same process, Ctrl G and click on special, and here again click on row differences and OK. It has highlighted the cell. Just go straight away and click this color. So in this way we can highlight the first column also. Now in the third example, we have list A, list B, and here we have list C also. Now what we want to do, we want to highlight this column basis on the list B. So here what we have to do, we have to select the range like this, and now just again, so here in this example we have to select the range like this. If you see in this name box, it is written I4. So I4 is like we have, because we have started from the I column. But if I press tab in my keyboard, what it has done, now if you see, we have written J4 over here. Now same process, Ctrl G, special, and row differences, and click on OK. Now again I will highlight the cell, or in this way we can highlight this also. So guys, you can use this trick in the data. Sometimes we have huge amount of data and we have to highlight the values which are not matching with each other. So you can use this trick in that cases. Now basis on this trick, if you see, I have another sheet over here. The name of the sheet is answer sheet. For example, we have given question 1 to question 15 over here, and the right answer for each and every question is given in the second row. Now these are the name of the people who have already submitted their assignment, and the answer they have given is also given over here. Now basis on the right answer, basis on this right answer, what we want to highlight the cell with incorrect values. For example, if we see for the question 1, the right answer is A. Andy has given the right answer, Howard has given the right answer, but if we see Paul Goodman, he has not given the right answer, so it should be highlighted. So in this case, what we have to do, let's select once again. I will go to select the range like this. I will select the range like this. Now Ctrl G and click on special. Now here we don't want to highlight it the row difference, but we want to highlight the column difference. So click on column and OK. Now it has highlighted the incorrect answers. Now again you can select any color. Let's select this one and OK. So see, it has highlighted all the values which are not matching with the right answer. So friends, I hope you like this trick. You can also download the file used in this video from the link description of this video, and there are many more tricks available in the Excel, and I will be covering each and every trick in the upcoming videos. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also please give your valuable comments or feedback in the comment section of this video. So let us meet in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.